get on the train. Looks like it. Nature Boy Scenic Railway. Let's get on the train. We're in the line. We're on the train. All aboard.
Yes, we are here in the train. Choo-choo train. We will not call this one choo-choo train. We call it safari train.
To the Nature Boy Scenic Railway. My name is Abby, and I'm very pleased to be your guide on your tour today.
Hi, Abby.
Just a friendly reminder that apart from water, there is no eating, drinking, smoking, or vaping aboard the train. As well as I ask that you please remain seated with your arms and legs well within the train carriage at all times. Reserve consisting mostly of open woodland, it serves as a natural refuge for many wild animals and birds native to southern Ontario. Common vegetation in this area includes willow, ash, elm, poplar, and a large sheltering white pine forest. The Nature Boy Scenic Railway is intended as a scenic ride and not as an animal display. Therefore, it will only be by chance that some animals are seen.
Oh,
So
no
please
wonder.
keep your eyes peeled and your cameras
That's how
ready.
we didn't see any animals in the pictures, apart from the flamingos. So it's supposed to be just a scenic drive. So scenic means like we won't really see animals like that.
This is so cool.
Worth the wait.
The train you're riding on is being pulled by a miniature replica of an 1863 CP Huntington steam engine. The original steam engine played an important role in the building of the western portion of the first transcontinental railroad from 1864 to 1869.
Ooh,
Today, the
that's a
original
bus.
steam engine stands in front of the railroad station in Sacramento, California, as a symbol of an engineering marvel from over 100 years ago.
This is a swamp, man.
Oh my goodness, the breeze is heavenly.
And the swamp too, there's like everything is just, I guess that's what scenic means. Because the water is still.
If you look on top of the exposed logs in the water as we travel throughout this reserve, you might be able to see some feed on a variety of underwater plants, insects, and mosquito larvae. They are very timid creatures and will often dive underneath the water if disturbed. Female painted turtles range from 10 to 25 centimeters long, and the males are typically smaller in size. An interesting fact about turtles is that warmer weather can actually cause them to
I don't know what's up with kids. Maybe they are laugh crying.
And the area coming up on our right is known as Turtle Pond. It's often where we'll spot some snapping turtles. Snapping turtles are very efficient predators and will lie in wait in the mud at the bottom of ponds for passing crayfish, frogs, fish, and sometimes small water birds. A female can lay up to 80 round eggs, roughly the size of a ping pong ball, and they're often laid in the gravel alongside the railway tracks.
80 eggs. That's a lot of eggs.
I don't say Canada first. But they are statues.
Those birds are always everywhere, man. Like, they piss me off. Because they're everywhere. And they shit everywhere.
Just
they
by
always
the
mind their
water's edge
business,
Coming up
anyways.
on the left, we have one of our trumpeter swans. They are the largest species of swan and breed throughout Alaska and into the Rocky Mountain states, where their numbers were dangerously
at
low
people and
one
their
time, but
cars.
they have since recovered. The trumpeter swan gets its name from the trumpeting sound that it makes, and they are extremely territorial. They actually cover a territory of up to 120 acres, and that's roughly 3 times the size of the reserve we are currently in.
Ducks. Swan. Yeah, those trees. Oh my god, we need to go back there in the future. Or maybe whenever we go to Montreal again. Like after this one. Yeah.
Just in the water over on the left, we have some mallard ducks. They are one of the most abundant glossy green, whereas the females will have a much duller coloration. This coloration allows her to blend in easily with her grassy surroundings while she incubates her eggs. You'll also notice quite a large number of Canadian geese as you travel throughout the park today.
Yes.
Canada goose is the most common type of goose in North America, easily recognized by their brown body plumage, their black head and neck, and their prominent white cheek patches. Every spring, approximately 100 breeding pairs will migrate to African lion safari from their wintering grounds in the southern United States.
Ooh, elephants, another one. Elephant booty.
Not like your own way.
Yeah, like the compass. The compass doesn't really zoom in.
And then just look into Florida, you have to touch it and try to manipulate it like that. That's how I do it.
The elephants?
She was very proud to pass it.
Yeah. Oh, she's giggling. Baby on board, baby on board. Oh my god, this is nasty but pretty at the same time. Ooh, we're on the bridge!
Sun is, you know how you have that Rocky Mountain roller coaster ride? That's how I do it. And then I go back like this. It's not a matter of
So if you like rice, then you will
building
be
coming up on
surviving.
our right is our state-of-the-art elephant facility designed to house the park's herd of Asian elephants. This 18,000 square foot facility features a computer-controlled ventilation system, heated floors, and natural lighting. It also has a laboratory and research center, and this enables our staff to continue their efforts in maintaining one of North America's most successful breeding programs for this endangered species. Of our Asian elephants over on the right. If you wish to see more of our elephants as you exit the train, you're going to follow the path leading off to the right to our elephant lookout.
Elephants shower a lot.
When you try to pull up. Oh, this one has a tusk.
Yeah, this one has a
Probably
tusk.
African ones. This one has a tusk. This is definitely a man. Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's such a cool ride. Oh my god. I love it.
And just sitting on top of the log over on the left, we have a great blue heron. They are one of the most common types of wading birds in this part of Ontario. They are easily recognized in flight as they carry their necks in an S-shaped curve with their long legs trailing behind them. They're excellent fishermen and feed on frogs, snakes, small rodents, and fish.
The Ryan of the Yeah, baby, it's just playing. That's why she was crying. She was laughing.
perception of giraffe has changed. They're just like animals that don't like stress. Oh yes, I'm hearing something like
We are now approaching the end of our tour, and I ask again that you please remain seated until we've come to a full and complete stop. Please watch your head and your step as you exit from the train, and if you have any questions about the tour or safari in general, I'd be happy to try and answer them for you. I'd like to thank you for visiting us today, and I hope you enjoy the remainder of your stay here on safari.
Such a beautiful tour.
it was.
Even like sit with the tree on the floor. It's like everything is just. I feel like everything is meaningful in a way,
Everything is.
and it's.
I think the beauty of coming here is not just enjoying it, but also getting educated
About it, yeah, it's so beautiful. Like the employees are so knowledgeable about every animal, the amount, every single thing. We're approaching our destination.
Arriving.
This was literally like a 10-minute ride.
Arriving.
Okay, I have faith I will make the boat. Choo choo. Coco just looking at me.
No expression.
Nothing.
Oh, we going.
Evilly. Into the dark, into the dark. If this was Universal Studios, we would be safe. Do you remember when we went to Universal Studios? How many years ago? We're back. Back like we never left before.